Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how you can edit your video template on Envato Premiere Pro. So guys, go to Envato and search for Premiere Pro, this from section video. So guys, choose any video you want to edit or something like this. Choose from here video single, and this is option, this is all the video. Just click guys download. If you have premium, download the video, and then you should subscription to download the video. After download the video guys, go to your Premiere Pro and drag your video from here, and then you can start editing your video template using your Premiere Pro. You have audio effect, you can add your audio effects, and you can assembly, you can effect, and you can add graphics. You have library option. You can edit all the video guys from here. You have this section line timeline. You can increase the volume audio. You can do anything on Premiere Pro on your video. Just choose any video in your business or something like this and start editing as you can from here, this section. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content.